Hello, hello. Hope that you're doing well and staying safe. My name's Quentin, and today we're going to cover how to create a lead list with LinkedIn essentially. So, with regards to LinkedIn, there's a couple of ways that you can create lead lists. You can use Sales Navigator, you can use LinkedIn's basic search, but I'm just going to cover Sales Navigator today because I think it's the best way at scale to find your ideal client profiles. But also, I want to tap into other non traditional ways people actually use LinkedIn to basically create lead pools essentially. So with that, let's jump straight into it. Let's start off with thought leaders, influencers, and peers. So the reason targeting these people is super important is these are the most active people on LinkedIn essentially. So once someone creates a post on LinkedIn, there's a whole list of industry people that you can start targeting. So, for example, find an influencer in your space specifically. Let's take like the business marketing space, B2B space. That will essentially be like Alex Amosi, right? So, essentially, with Alex Amosi, once he like creates a post, there's going to be a whole host of people that like commented, like, and stuff like that. Those people are essentially the warmest people on LinkedIn. Essentially, they are the most active. They just like the post. They're on the platform right now. So these people are kind of like the best people to send out like a connection request to, because they'll accept it within like a couple of seconds. So essentially, that you can broaden out from like your peers, thought leaders as well. So peers essentially are the people that are in the same industry as you and offering the same service of you, but kind of at the same level in terms of revenue, in terms of content size, in terms of your reach. Then you get thought leaders. These are the people that's slightly bigger than you, but less than the influencers, essentially, if you can think about it that way. So these are good people to kind of like steal audiences from, if that's that's a word to use, like stealing audiences. But yeah, you can essentially steal people's audiences of LinkedIn, the audience they worked hard to get. You can just go into their comment section, go into their reaction section, and start stealing people if they fit your ICP. Okay, let's jump straight into Sales Navigator now. With regards to Sales Navigator, it's probably the best method to get people at scale on LinkedIn. Essentially, you can search everything from job roles to titles, if they were recently active, and basically all of those factors, right? And just other specifications that you're looking for if there's in a certain location and type of things like that. So Sales Navigator is the best one to use, but I just think talking about thought leaders and influencers is kind of like a little cool hack that you can use on LinkedIn. So additionally, to show you how this actually works, like you'll just send out like 40 to 50 connection requests a day. I know some people get capped where they can only send 20. With my account, I can send about 40 per day, so about 200 per week essentially. So essentially, like ideally, you want about 20, at least 20% of your audience accepting your connection request essentially to get the most out of LinkedIn. So if you do start outbound strategies, you'll have a big enough lead pool to reach out to. So I hope you found that valuable, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers, bye.